Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the 33rd Annual Christmas Get-Together of the Cancer Crusaders Club. I am Beth Tumambi, Secretary to Dr. Hoswan. I will be co-hosting, emceeing, and moderating this virtual meet with Dr. Hoswan, Doc Lance, and Denise Hoswan. I'd like to give a short backgrounder to the virtual meeting of the Cancer Crusaders Club. This is the first time in the history of the club, and I foresee this will be the new normal in the years to come for the club. In the past 32 years, we have been holding the annual Christmas get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club in a conference room in Manila Doctors Hospital with a face-to-face interaction. Our primary activity has been cancer journey sharing. Dr. Hasinas foresighted eventually the club will have virtual or online interactions starting 2020. One thing that I admire my boss is that he is always one step ahead. Even before the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic, which has forced online meetings and conferences to become a fad, Dr. Hudson, as early on November 27, 2019, decided to transform the Cancer Crusaders Club into an online group in Facebook and Google site. His tagline has been to infinity and beyond. Look at the Facebook page and group he created and in Google site. Look at the December 1, 2019 online message he had for the Cancer Crusaders, where he spelled out the future direction of the club to sustain it in infinity and beyond. The rest is history as of today. So don't wonder now why we are having this virtual meet of the Cancer Crusaders Club today. The thing that you should wonder is how we were able to put up this virtual meeting, specifically how Dr. Rosa prepared it single-handedly, as I am not techy enough to assist him. Dr. Rosa planned with utmost details the revitalization of the Cancer Crusaders Club. We first revisited and reviewed the objective of the club, which is to provide psychosocial therapy and support to cancer patients. He then restudied how to provide psychosocial therapy and support in a more structured way. At the end of this study, he came up with a survey assessing the psychosocial distresses of the patients in different phases of their cancer journey, which most of you have answered. Using the survey data as a guide and from his own introspection, he then came out with a more structured program of the annual get-together of the Cancer Crusaders Club, targeting more impactful benefits to the members than before. You will all witness the program and its effect in a little while. On the techie aspect on his own, though with some inputs from his doctor and other people, he studied and innovated the technical aspects of hosting an online meeting in Zoom, such the use of virtual background, chat box, muting and unmuting system, shared screen, sound system, etc. He conducted at least 2 dry runs in using Zoom to make sure everything would go the right way today. We will all witness the outcome of his self-taking learning in conducting online meetings. So that's it, the background there on this virtual meeting. The main psychosocial activities will consist of the following: 5 cancer journey sharings, 4 inspirational and motivating songs, lines of advice to RO Hosan Cancer Crusaders by cancer patients, survivors, and givers. RO Hosan's advices on how to deal with cancer. Today, we have more than 70 cancer crusaders who have officially registered for this virtual meet. We have our awesome Cancer Crusaders from abroad like USA, Dubai, Thailand, Hong Kong, etc. And from the provinces like Zamboanga, Aklan, Romblon, Butuan, Cebu, Dumaguete, Bicol, and so many other places. We have our we have a lot of new Cancer Crusaders, about 30 of them less than 5 years. We hope to help the most with our virtual meet and by meeting our cancer survivors who will help them with advices. Here is a gallery view of our participants. We have our Ocosan Cancer Crusaders of varied years of remission from 1 year to 37 years. Special mention goes to Flo Solmerano from Aklan, 37 years, and Chuchi Quevedo from Manila, 36 years, both breast cancer survivors. We also have our Ocosan Cancer Crusaders who have been with the club since it started in 1988. Special mention goes to Miss Belty Pase and Miss Aida Antonio, both thyroid cancer survivors of 32 years. Always remember the goal of the Cancer Crusaders Club is to provide psychosocial therapy and support to cancer patients. That's all for introduction.